Okay, Mike. Good job, Mike. Dude, where you going? Mike, here, Mike. Here, Mike. Good, Mike. Right there. Right there, Mike. Up, Mike. In the middle, Mike.
Back to live action. We sincerely hope young lady is okay from the injury. Roll 10 with it. We got about 2 on you now. Good pass. Finish that. Florida gang, no good. Who wanted more? They get their own rebound. Who wanted more? Still. Right 10 with it. No good. You want 10 push-ups for that. No good. Make up for it now. Make up for it now. Back out.
Abajo, Lucas. Atrás de ti.
Come on, Edwin.
Dale para abajo, Lucas. Yo, go hustle, Mike. Let's go, Boogie. Mike, go.
What you looking for?
Let's go, Boogie.
9:36. Go 10 with it. In and out. Tween. She said I'm going straight to the Baja for the gang. No good.
Let's go, Boogs.
4:30 left in the game. Next 2 teams should be suited up, ready to play basketball. You gotta kick up the tempo. Right 30, what you gonna do with it? He's playing aggressive the whole game. 4 minutes left in the game. Timeout, go. Oh, court 2, lit 2. Got Shorty Wop over there. Yo, Lefty, you better be playing ball over there, boy. Oh, say less. Say less. Grade number 1 just caught a bucket on you, Lefty. Oh, he said I'm going straight to the Baja with it. Finish that, air ball, back up, no good. It's all right, Shorty Wop. I see you over there.
Come on, Jewel. Come on.
Really like that. Shorty Wop said I'm coming right down the court with it. Back out the lefty. Still, the great team gotta play with them over there. We need 5 out back over here. We back. Go 35. What we doing with it? 2:40 left in the game. Hit it across half. Hit it across half. She split the trap. Straight to the bar. Good pass. Still half now. Still. They ain't even blow the whistle. It's still going. It's still going.
Cut him off, cut him off, cut him off.
What's that Butterfinger? She said, nah, I got it back. Still. Princess coming down with it. How you gonna end the game out? Listen to your coach. He yelling no numbers. I don't know what it means. Princess said I'm going to the Baja, no good. Still. What you doing with it? Back out. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Still. Keep your head up. Right 30 coming down with it. 50 seconds. Right 24, no good. Going with the rebound. 35 coming down. Get it across half now. 5, 40 seconds. 36. So 36. The girls game. Jefferson versus Team what? T-Eagles.
I know.
Yes!
6-1.
You know what team you want?
Go, Mike. Have we go up.
Good job. Don't foul.
Watch it.
Don't foul it. Come on, y'all gotta box out.
Look. You got no ball in it.
Level.
Shot, Mike.
Okay, open pass, Mark.
Back up a little too.
Step up, step up.
Here we go.
Hold it.
Watch your back, watch your back. Watch your back. Thank you, Mike. Let's go.
Luca lo tiene, Luca.
Hey, boys. Too easy.
Yeah, you gotta step up faster. You gotta step up faster.
Oh, Luca.
Step.
Yeah, no fouls, Mark. What?
Hey, rebound, box out. Let's go. Y'all gotta box out. Help, it's coming. Help, help. Step up.
Mari, don't let that get you. Play ball.
You gotta watch the grass.
Oh.
We back. Another ladies game. We back.
Go ahead, 21, Luca. Behind you, Luca.
I see a great
Yo,
team
y'all
over
sleeping
there.
down there, bro.
What's that shorty co-op team over there? Alright. Lucky ain't over here. Pressure on the court. More y'all. I know that.
Behind you.
Get that ball, Mark.
Let's go. It's game time.
Foul.
Ladies and gentlemen, over here, when y'all hear the rush tick, over here is black. We're going over here red. Hey, no good. We on the move. Right 30 with the rebound.
Stop watching.
Cool, what we doing with it? Number 3, clean, heavy game shot, ball right up. No good. Yo, that was a good tick. Travel though.
Stop it, stop it.
Yo, what we doing? Back out now. It's your arm.
They hit, you gotta hit back. That's it.
Cross. Give me 3. No good. Go on the move. Rebound. Black team. Guys, still out of bounds now. Back deal. Finish that. Finish that. Basket. That's number 1 on the basket. 2-zip. Back to 22. What we doing with it? We got 2 on you. Steal. Finish that. Good pass. No good. Jump. Which way is going? It's not a foul, it's a jump.
What's up, boy? No box out. No box out. That one out. It's clear.
Your job is to box out, box out.
The ball is live after this. Second shot, no good. We back to live action. Good pass. What we doing with it? Back. You see the cutters. Good shot. That's number 1 with the basket. Give me 3. No good. Nothing but in. 1 and more. 30 coming down with it. Finish side. No good. Over the back. Subs in. Get it across half now. Red 22, what we doing with it? Swing back to number 3. Number 3 is only you and her behind the back. You got more skates. No good. You gotta finish that. Still. Still. Foul. My advice to all of y'all, don't give up on the play until y'all hit out. No good. They get it back. Crossover back out to number 1. She said, I got this. Give me 3. No good. Number 1 back with the rebound. Shit, I'm going right back up. Nothing but in. Give me 3. No good. They get it back. Back up. Basket. Black number 10. Basket. Six minutes and 30 seconds over. She said I'm gonna get it right across half. Now you got 2 on you behind the back. Good pass. What we doing with a 15 still? Number 1 got it. Foul. Help up, help up, help up. 6 minutes. You need a sub? We need a sub real quick.
Run. Hands up.
5:40 left in the half. Good screen. She wanna run it now. For the game, no good. 1 and more. 22 with it. Keep your head up, mama. She's not going straight. So though, 22 and number 3. 4:30 left. No good. Jump. Back out now. 1 and more. The ball is in. Going the other way. 3:45. We got a sub at the table. Subs in. Back with it. In and out. No good. Rebound number 1. Foul. "3 minutes. Oh, 2. Yo, that's why I gotta stand behind here. Sun is killing me. 150. In and out, she got right around me. See, I'm going straight to the block party. 140.